Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man, I got an easy go here. This is belong to an older woman. She don't have the money to fix it up. What I'm gonna do, man, is I told her I'd fix it for her, to a certain extent. And then it might not be worth fixing if it's too much. But let's look at it, man, and see what's wrong with it. I have no clue. I don't know if it clicks a solenoid or what, but let's look at it and see. First thing we're going to do is test battery voltage. We're gonna see if she clicks or not. We'll do that now. Let's put it in forward. Turn the key on. Hit the gas. It solenoid clicks, but the car ain't moving. And also, man, she was complaining she couldn't ship the shifter, so I ordered her one of these knobs here, where it makes the lever. It makes it easier to ship, man, because you don't have to put so much force on it. Just trying to help the old woman out, man. So what I'm gonna do, hit the gas. Turn my voltmeter to volts DC. My black lead on the main negative. Red lead here, hit the gas jar. Right now we got 37 volts. I'm gonna put it on this side of the solenoid. Got it on hold or something? Yeah, on hold. And you can see right now I have 36 volts. Hit the gas. All right, hit it again. You can see it shows 37, but right now it's showing 35. That means nothing. It's just this reading across the resistor. So now what I'm gonna do, so you know the solenoid is good. If you don't have voltage here, then solenoid is bad. If you have voltage here and it clicks and no voltage comes here, then it's bad then. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my black lead as my positive because it's got this on it. I'm gonna put that on the main positive, and then I'm gonna put, even though this is my red lead now, and it's gonna be my black lead for me because my black lead has a clamp. I'm gonna put on the negative. So there we have 37 volts. All right, so that means we got battery voltage coming in. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on M minus, which is right here. When I hit the gas, voltage should carry from here to here. If it don't, then we got something wrong with the controller or the 40 reverse board. All right, hit the gas. Hit it. It ain't putting no voltage out. You can see that. All right, ain't putting no voltage out the controller. But what I'm gonna do is show you this here. This only works on a series cart. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump this to this, B minus to N minus. When I hit the gas, it's gonna take off wide open. If the gas pedal sticks, Jerry, pull it back. Use your hands, son. Hit the gas and pull back right away. Hit it. All right. The cart moved. You heard it move. All right. So that's telling me the controller is bad, nothing else. So what I'm gonna do, swap out the controller, and we're gonna see what it does. Video on that the frame's no good on. I'm gonna take it off that and see. Let's take the battery wire off, Mr. Wells. First thing I'm gonna do is take the battery wire off. Now the battery wire I'm gonna take off is going to be one in the circuit. It don't matter. I'm just taking off one just to kill the circuit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off. You got a battery wire off? Yep. So I'm gonna take this off here. Take the control box off. To take loosen the other bolt because that side broke. Then you have one in the bottom. All right, we have that working there. Got that bolt out. Then we'll pull the controller out. If you want to, when you get your controller out, listen, shake it. I heard no rattling in it. Don't smell burnt. Put this back on here. Put the new one back on. Put the bolts back in it. Put them there. Put it there. Now make sure you put it back in there. You put all three back in. Because if you don't put all three, it will get hot. And when it gets down, or to shut the controller down because it's hot for safety. So make sure you put 2 bolts in the top and 1 in the bottom. All right, got that on. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to wire. I'm going to tell you how to get rid of the 4. So if you look at the fourth wire just goes to the top post on the reverse board. So what I'm gonna do is take my 1/2 inch and I'm just gonna take this top bolt off here. And I'm gonna take it, pull that wire off that's there, pull the wire that's behind it, and just do away with it. So now, the way the 4 inverse board works is voltage comes in, voltage goes out. I think that was just like safety in case the controller burned up on the positive side. All right, got that there. All the wires are there. Now we're going to bolt it back out how it was. So we're going to go M negative on the far right. We're going to go B minus or B minus in the middle, go straight from the battery negative. Because all it does is the way it works is B minus to M minus. Depending on how much gas you give it, is how fast it goes. And you can go back up to your A, it will B plus, so no longer have A2. Tighten them back down. Take voltage, huh?
It wouldn't be because that wire's off, would it?
What wire? No, your battery, your light's right there. Take voltage. Your horn worked, didn't it?
Yeah.
All right, so you got voltage. I told her that on this car here, the old woman, man, she don't have no money. So I told her to let me do a YouTube video. And we fix it for her, you know what I mean? Yep. I got another junk car that the frame's no good on. So I just figured I'd help her out, man. You got to get back to the elder crowd, man. Everything's so high these days, man. You got to give to them. Some people don't believe in helping nobody unless they get something in return. All right, well, I put the wires in and put the bolts in and didn't move the video back up, so that's how it goes. All I did, I just hooked my wires back up to my controller like they're supposed to be. I did B minus, no, M minus, B minus, B plus. And the way it works, whenever you hit the gas, you just send voltage from this post to this post. And now we'll do this here. Had a ground wire broke. Y'all know any people around y'all, man, that no, I ain't gonna say that. All right, so now I'm just putting the new end on here. It broke. Put it on there. Tighten it back up. Tighten it back up with that there. At our house, I checked the its, and the its checked good. Here.
Yeah.
So let's see, and then we push it over here. Now watch it. All right, so I got that on there. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook my main battery wire back up. Where's the nut at, Jerry? You took off.
Cup holder, on the cup holder.
All right, I'm tightening it back up.
Are you doing that? Messes my voltage a little bit.
Then we're gonna hit the gas. I wish I had a second time I'll run you over. Now I'm gonna hit the gas, see what it does. Hit the gas here, so it runs. Let's see. Hit the gas. You can see it runs now. So controller fixed it. So y'all seen it, man. There you go. Controller fixed it. Show you how to test it. You're good to go, man. I'm gonna do another video on the solenoid showing everybody how to wire it, because I talk to a lot of people, they always do it wrong. But the car's up and running, man. Now we're about to swap out the handle. Stay tuned, watch another video. I'll post some more, man. Hey, hey, hey.